Hello everyone, welcome to our workout from home channel. If you're liking our workouts, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our videos. So before getting into the workout, let's do some warm up. For the warm up, do some forward rotations. And after forward rotations, do some reverse rotations as well. And after that, do nice shoulder stretch. Hold it for 3-4 seconds on each side. Do 4 to 5 times like this. And after that, get into child position. So for the child position, you will be sitting on your knees like this. Move your hands forward and then move your head through the hands and stretch, or like pull your hands behind as much as possible so that you get good stretch on the shoulders. Do this for 10 to 15 seconds, and after the child pose, get into upward dog position like this, and from here move directly into the downward dog position like this. Then get back to upward dog, hold it for a second, then move back directly into downward dog and hold there for a second again. Do for 7 to 8 times. So this will be our warm up for today. So let's get into the workout now. For the workout, we are doing 4 rounds for time today. We have a 16-minute time cap. We are starting with 30 jumping jacks. Then we are doing 9 squat to plank jacks. Then after that, we are doing 9 sit-ups, the regular sit-ups. And after sit-ups, we are doing 9 push-back push-ups. And again, we are ending with a 30-second elbow plank. So this is our workout for today. For the jumping jacks, we are doing the regular ones like this. After the jumping jacks, we are doing 9 squat to plank jacks. For the squat to plank jacks, we'll start in the squat position here. From here, you will place your hands on the floor like this. Then push your legs back to high plank position. And on the high plank position, we will do a regular plank jack like this. And from here, you will move back again to squat position. So this will be one movement. We are doing 9 of these. Move back, do a plank jack, and then get back to squat position. Like this. So we are doing 9 of these. And after this, we are doing 9 sit-ups. If you have a ab mat, use it. Otherwise, you can just fold a sweat towel and then keep it for your lower back support, spine support. We are doing 9 of these. And after 9 sit-ups, we are doing 9 push-back push-ups. For the push-back push-ups, we are doing a regular push-up but with a push-back. So we'll start in the high plank position. Make sure the wrists are directly under the shoulders and they are shoulder wide. We'll do a push-up like this, and after that, instead of going up like this, we are going to push back like this. And when you do this push back, make sure the shoulder is locked in this position as well. And then from here, you get to high plank position, do another push up and push back. High plank, push up, push back. High plank, push up, push back. Like this. So we are doing 9 of these, and if you want to scale this, you can keep your knees on the ground and do the push-up. So we'll start in the high plank again, do a push-up, push back, then get on to high plank, push-up, like this. So you can scale it this way as well. So we're doing 9 of these, and after this we are ending with a 30-second plank. For the plank, we are doing elbow plank. Make sure your core is engaged and then your body is forming a straight line like this. So this will be our workout for today. I'll do one quick round. I'll start with 30 jumping jacks. I'm going to end with 30-second elbow plank. So this will be our workout for today. We are repeating this for 3 more times. We are doing 4 rounds per time in 16-minute time cap. Hope you guys like it. Thank you. See you.